Alright guys, tutorial number 43, and in this lesson, of course, if you guys couldn't predict, I'm going to be coding this while chatting method. Now what this method does is now that we waited for a connection, we're connected to someone in our streams or pathways to connect to them and they can connect to us are set up. This is the code that you write whenever or pretty much this is the code that's going to be running during your conversation with them. So I'll just put like during the uh okay, wow, messing up already. That's freaking great. During the chat conversation. So again, what we did is we named this private void while chatting, and this is gonna throw an IO exception. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to give a prompt that says, okay, you are now connected, you can now start the conversation. So let's go ahead and code a simple variable. String message equals you are now connected. I don't know. I guess that's good for now. Okay, it says you are now connected. So now what we want to do is to display this on the screen, we actually have to call the method that we didn't create yet. Send message, and all this does is it sends it so it displays on the screen message. So now once you're connected and you can start typing, says okay, you are now connected, just a prompt on the screen. So the next thing we need to do is we need to change able to type, which is another method we have to create, equal to true. So remember, like I told you guys before, some information, it's going to be an object, which is, hopefully going to be a string. But if they send some weird, I don't know, maybe some weird object that we can't understand, then it's not going to be able to find the class. It's not going to understand what that object is, and it's not going to be able to show it as a string. But anyways, hopefully we should never see this unless the user, tries to hack us or something. So what we're going to do first is we want to get whatever message that they sent. And guys, like I said, 100% of the time it's going to be a string, something like "Hey dude" or like "What's up," something like that. So they're going to type something normal into their stream, and the stream we want to treat it as a string. So of course, the what we want to read from them, we're just going to store in the variable message, and we'll set this equal to a string. And let me go ahead and type this first, and I'll explain it to you guys. Input read object. There we go. Already typed for me. So again, remember, I'll start from the inside and work my way out. The input is the stream or the socket where they can send stuff to us, where we have things coming in. So again, the things that I'm talking about is their message that they typed. So an you're good to type, it's going to say you are connected. Down the streams and the sockets, all that housekeeping stuff, and we're going to be coding the show message and able to type method, and then I think we're able to, start this baby up and test it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.